The forum also deliberated and resolved to interface with the federal government to secure the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu.
I met with Nnamdi Kanu myself, and he assured me that when the day is out, is also the day that they will now know those who are legitimate agitators and those who are criminal elements.
Ndewo gị onye ọma na-ege ntị ma na-ekiri ekiri ebe nọ ugbu a bụ na sim.siha asịrị FM. Onye gị na ya nọkwa taa bụ 042 Solex, onye akụkọ ụwa. Ngwagere akụkọ nke anyị ji wee bịa taa. Ndị gọvanọ na-achị steeti ise enwere na mpaghara ọwụwa anyanwụ obodo Naijiria bụ ala Igbo apụtala wee kwuo na ha ekpebiela ịgakwuru onye isi ala obodo Naijiria bụ President Bola Ahmed Tinubu ịgarịọ ya maka ntọpụ nwanne anyị nwoke bụ onye isi ndị otu Indigenous People of Biafra bụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu bụ onye nke eji n'aka ndị DSS kamgbe afọ 3 gara aga. Ha kwuru nke a mgbe ha pụtara n'ọgbakọ nke ha na onye isi ala chịburu obodo Naijiria mgbe gara aga bụ Chief Olusegun Obasanjo nwere na steeti Enugu n'ụbọchị Tuesday bụ mkpụrụ ụbọchị nke abụọ nke ọnwa Julaị n'afọ 2024 bụ ụbọchị Tuesday 2nd July 2024. Dị ka ha siri kwuo, ha si na ụfọdụ n'ime ihe ndị nke ha kpara na ya bụ ọgbakọ gụnyere ihe gbasara mmepe ya na ọnọdụ nchekwa ala Igbo. Ha gakwara n'iru wee kwuo na ọ bụ ihe mere ha ji wee sị na ugbu a bụ oge kacha mma ịgakwuru onye isi ala obodo Naijiria ka ya na ha nọrọ ala ma kpaa nkata n'ihe gbasara ntọpụ ya bụ nwanne anyị nwoke. A sịla na Solex si kama lere onyonyo ya.
A communique issued today, 2nd July 2024, by the Southeast Governors Forum. The forum commiserated with the government and people of Abia State, Ebonyi, Imo State, indeed the entire Southeast region and Nigeria, and the family of Ogbonnayanu's family. The people of Ogbonnayanu's family on the demise of His Excellency Dr. Ogbonnaya. The forum received the delegation of the former President Chief Olusegun Obasanjo, GCFR, Chief Emeka Anyoko, GCON, and His Royal Majesty Igwe Emeka Achabe, CFR, the Obe of Onitsha, who came on a solidarity visit to this forum. The forum deliberated on the reviewed report of the Southeast Security and Economic Summit held in Owerri on the 28th September 2023 and agreed to implement the aspects of the report pertaining to security and economic integration of the region and affirmed its desire to put actionable plans on the key issues agreed. The forum resolved to visit Mr. President to discuss the pressing issues, all pressing issues concerning the Southeast region. The forum also deliberated and resolved to interface with the federal government to secure the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and the meeting adjourned whenever. Thank you. Signed, His Excellency the Governor of Imo State, Senator Hope Uzodimma, CON. His Excellency Dr. Alex Oti, OFR, the Governor of Abia State. His Excellency Professor Chukwuma Soludo, CFR, the Governor of Anambra State. His Excellency Right Honorable Francis Winfrey, the Governor of Ebonyi State. And finally, our host governor, His Excellency Dr. Peter Mba. Thank you all, and may God bless you.
Ọkwa ikirichala ya bụ ihe onyonyo na mbụ ka m burugodo ụzọ si ndị Southeastern Governors daalụ n'ọlụ n'ihi ọgbakọ unu mere nke ọbụla unu ji maka ya wee mee ya bụ ọgbakọ. Ọ bụrụ ha na ọ bụ ihe ga-eme ka ala Igbo dị mma, ọ bụrụ ha na ọ bụ ihe ga-eweta mmepe na udo n'ala Igbo, ana m asị unu daalụ n'ọlụ mana ya bụ ihe nke unu pụtakwara kwuo ọ ga-adị m nnọọ obi mma ma ọ bụrụ na ọ bụ eziokwu maka na o nwere otu akụkọ ọzọ nke pụtakwara na efere mba ụwa mgbe unu mecharala ọgbakọ unu a akụkọ ihe gbasara ozi si n'aka onye isi ala chịrịla obodo Naijiria bụ Chief Olusegun Obasanjo onye nke bịakwara nọnyere unu na ya bụ ọgbakọ nke unu mere. Ya bụ akụkọ ka unu si ahụ ya ebe a dịka ndị akwụkwọ akụkọ Punch si wee dee ya. I didn't discuss Nnamdi Kanu's release with Southeast governors Obasanjo. Ka anyị gụpụtara unu ya bụ akụkọ n'uju. Ọ sị, former President Olusegun Obasanjo has said that the issue of releasing the detained leader of indigenous people of Biafra, Nnamdi Kanu, was not part of his discussion with the Southeastern governors in Enugu State on Tuesday. Osikwa, Obasanjo said, though he and a former Secretary General of the Commonwealth, Chief Emeka Anyaoku, met with the governors to discuss regional development issues, the purported planned release of Kanu by the federal government was not part of what was discussed. Ogakwaniru wee sị, the former president disclosed this on Wednesday in a statement by his special assistant on media, Kehinde Akinyemi. Ya bụ akụkọ na-agakwaniru wee sị, the statement read, the regional development issues discussed include that of security and infrastructure. Others were economic and cooperative collaboration, which was meant to complement the national economic development agenda. Owena Agakwaniru wee sị, the meeting with them was at my invitation and of Chief Emeka Anyaoku before their summit begins. The issue of Nnamdi Kanu was not on the agenda and was not discussed in my presence. Otu a ka Chief Olusegun Obasanjo si wee saa ya bụ okwu dịka ndị akwụkwọ akụkọ Punch si wee dee ya. Ọ dị mma, n'aka nke ọzọ, otu ihe onyonyo ọzọ m ga-achọkwa ka itinye anya na ya bụ nke si n'aka ndị na-anọchite anya ndị Igbo n'ụlọ omeiwu ukwu nke obodo Naijiria bụ House of Senate bụ ndị ama dịka Southeast Senate Caucus nke onye isi ha bụ Sinetọ Enyinaya Abaribe dịka ha siri wee gosi n'ihe onyonyo nke anyị ga-enyo anya na ya ugbu a ebe ha jedebekwaranụ ije nke ha n'ihe gbasara ntọpụ ya bụ nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu dịka ha gara ka ha na onye isi na-elekọta ụlọikpe niile ya na onye na-elekọta ndị ọkaiwu niile nọ n'obodo Naijiria nke ama dịka Attorney General of the Federation ka ya na ha nọrọ ala ma kpaa nkata n'ihe gbasakwara ntọpụ ya bụ nwanne anyị nwoke bụ Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ogologo kwa dị mmanụ ka mgbede ka anyị nyekwa anya n'ihe onyonyo nke ahụ ka m bịakwanụ.
Nigeria, we want to know the purpose of your meeting with the AGF this morning, sir.
Yes, this is the members of the Southeast Senate Caucus, and we are here to see the Attorney General of the Federation and Minister of Justice on a very, very important matter to the people of the Southeast. Is the matter concerning Mazi Nnamdi Kanu and the continued legal wranglings concerning his incarceration. The Southeast Senate Caucus, just like the rest of the members of the Southeast, put the business leaders, the clergy, the political people, and everybody in the Southeast are all very worried about it, knowing that that has been the fulcrum, I would say, for what is going on in the Southeast regarding the insecurity. All the criminals and all the people going around causing mayhem in the Southeast have all said that it is because Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is being held. We know that this is not the truth. It's just that we have gotten to the point where people are now hijacking a legitimate call for his release and turning it into something that has led to deaths and destruction of properties and so many other undescribable mayhem that is going on in the Southeast. And so we came to meet with the Minister of Justice and Attorney General because we know that at the end of the day, everything that happens in the political, in the legal scheme will eventually come to his office. And we came to appeal to him to help us to let Mr. President know that all leaders of the Southeast feel that the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will help in dousing all the tensions and everything that is going on in the Southeast. And we are very, very certain that his duty as the Attorney General also gives him the powers of nolle prosequi, the powers of making sure that litigations don't continue and the sufferings of the people of the Southeast continue. That is the essence of why we came here. And I think you know also, I think it's also clear that several different groups in the Southeast, including the Southeast governors who met yesterday, have all been making exactly the same type of plea. And we think that this will help us to bring to an end all the insecurity problems going on presently.
So, focus met with Mr. Kanu to know whether he is willing to accept either conditional release or not.
Yes, on behalf of the caucus, I met with Nnamdi Kanu myself on behalf of the rest of the caucus on Monday. Today is Wednesday. We met with him between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m. on Monday, and he is very, very supportive of this, our plea to the President and of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Yes.
They need the senator to be suspected this time around. Would you be willing to stand?
I don't think that is necessary to ask. We came here on his behalf, and that tells you that any of our senators that you see, the 15 of us, by the way, the 15 of us signed this letter. A few of us are not here just for reasons of logistics and all that. Some are also not. But we all signed the letter, and you will also have a copy of the letters that we did. So any senator in the Southeast is very willing. The governors are willing. The business leaders are willing. The clergy, they are willing. So the traditional rulers are also willing. So I do not think that anything will stop us if it comes to that. And he has also assured me that he is ready to fulfill any conditions that are put that will lead to his early release.
Sir, is there any positive response from the AGF?
Yes, the AGF received us very warmly and also told us that, of course, this is a request for which he has to go and study it, digest it, and take to the president, because he won't take the ultimate decision. I think it's a decision of the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Mr. Lastly, I don't know if I asked you because I came late. What is your appeal to the president to the people of this very case?
The appeal is that this matter cannot be resolved legally. And if we continue with the legal wrangling, that it will continue to cause the insecurities, because the legitimate demands has been hijacked by criminals, undesirables, and all manners of elements who have used it to perpetrate their own nefarious deals on the rest of the people of the Southeast. Nobody in the Southeast likes what is going on. People cannot go out of their houses on Mondays. People are maimed and killed and all that. And some people are roaming around, killing even security men in the name of looking for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. And Nnamdi Kanu himself also confirmed to me last Monday that he never made any request of that nature that anybody should go and kill people. In fact, he was very pained that the Southeast is suffering because of this. And he assured me that when the day is out is also the day that they will now know those who are legitimate agitators and those who are criminal elements.
Ọkwa ikirichala ya bụ ihe onyonyo gị onye ụwa onye na-egere akụkọ ụwa m ịmara n'etu esi eme ya ọ ga-abụ nnọọ ihe magburu onwe ya ma ọ bụrụ na ị ga-edere ebumnuche gị etu isi hụ ya bụ ihe nke ikiriri ugbu a na ngalaba okwu ka anyị mara uche gị n'ihi na uche onye adịghị ya njọ. Daalụkwa gị onye na-eso eburu anyị esonye, ekelekwa gị onye asị gị jide ka iji onye asị ya jide ka o ji ịmara na nke o ji kacha mma. Ekpere m bụ na Chineke nna ga na-anọnyere gị ọpụpụ gị na mbata gị na-etinyere gị aka n'ezi ihe niile nke ị na-eme. Gị taa bụkwanụ mbụ ị na-ahụ ihe onyonyo anyị, asị gị nnọọ. Onye gị na ya ka nọkwa bụ 042 Solex, onye akụkọ ụwa n'iru akwụkwọ efere mba ụwa. Ya mere ọ bụrụ na ka m mere dị gị mma n'obi nwanne, biko ọ bụ na Facebook na Instagram ka na-ahụ ihe onyonyo pịara m folo, ọ bụ na YouTube ka ị na-ekiri ya bụ ihe onyonyo pịara m subscribe ya na mgbịrịgba anya n'akụkụ ka ime ike na-enweta ihe onyonyo ndị ọzọ nga na-ewetara gị n'ọdịnihu. Ọ bụ na Twitter ka ị hụrụ ya bụ ihe onyonyo pịara m folo, ọ bụ na TikTok itikere m folo ma atọ ọkụma. Igbo ndị ọma njem ọnụ, Igbo mụrụ nze mụ ọzọ, ekelekwa m unu wee na-asị na ọ ga na-adịrị unu niile mma ise. Ngwanụ tụsawara m ihe onyonyo a na-atụsara m ya bụ ihe onyonyo na-apịrị maka na share button ya mara gị mma onye nke m. Udo dịrị unu.